Hare Krishna everybody. So recently I bought a wireless doorbell from Anchor Panasonic. It's a ready to go doorbell. You don't have to need any wires or any electrician to place it. You just have to plug in into the socket, and then you have to attach the doorbell button in front of your shop,
एक
and it
बात
is ready to
रह
go.
गई थी, चुपचाप रह गई
It's a
थी,
very nice
तुम शाम
handy
सुबह
option.
सब ले